Guru Nation, how's it going? Thank you so much for watching. Please continue to support me. It really means so much to me. Just like, subscribe, comment, share. If you don't know what to comment, put a robot emoji. I'm taking questions. I've been taking questions from YouTube. I got questions from LinkedIn. I got questions from Instagram. I was going to save these for the live, but one of them I wanted to focus on for this video was, again, the international medical graduates. I really feel very strongly about this. In my opinion, international medical graduates are fantastic study coordinators. And I would go as far as to say, just like CROs, they're willing to hire RNs or NPs that don't have CRA experience. Sites, for the most part, at least speaking for myself and a few colleagues of mine that I know, and what I have done in the past, and what I'm about to do, you guys are going to meet an IMG that I'm about to hire for my site as well, Yuma Clinical Trials. But uh, I'd consider hiring an international medical graduate as a coordinator without any prior research experience as well. You guys and gals have a lot going for you. I mean, obviously, you already know clinical things, right? You know side effects, you know AEs, you know con meds, you know interactions between different medications. You know how drugs are processed in the body and what happens and what the side effect. You know all that. That's important in research at the site level. Why? Because you got AEs and studies you got to report. You got to know what to look out for when it comes to someone's medical history. Do you think they'll be a good fit for the study, knowing the inclusion exclusion criteria? If you glance at the patient's medical history, there's a lot of positive things you can immediately bring, like from day one, positive ROI for that site. So this person on YouTube asked me, I'm an IMG. I was a family medicine resident, but some health issues took a step back while figuring out what to do next. I worked as a consultant at Epic for 3 years and then transitioned to clinical research. I've been a CRC in cardiology for the past 2 years. So here you go. This person's already a CRC, but just in case you're watching, if you're an IMG, I think CRC is the route to go. I mean, look at the comment. I didn't even read it before turning on the camera and recording. A site took a chance on this guy and hired him with no experience. I'm telling you guys what I know and what others are doing. So if you're an IMG, go apply to a bunch of research clinics in your area. Somebody on Instagram asked me, how do I search for research clinics in my area? There's this website called Google. I'm not sure if you heard of it. You can just Google clinical research clinic and then your zip code or your city or your greater metro area or your region, and you will find plenty. Don't just go on page one, go on page 2 and 3 of Google as well. Google results. Sites are looking, especially 2022. There's a shortage of jobs, shortage of labor. IMGs are fantastic. This is an IMG video, International Medical Graduate. I got love for you, IMGs. At this point, so this is the coordinator in cardiology, 2 years experience as a coordinator in cardiology with an IMG background. At this point, I'm looking for the next career step, and I've learned about being a medical science liaison from the videos. Thank you so much. Medical monitor, CRA, safety, and pharmacovigilance. I have not heard of project manager, but we'll look into that. My question is, what experience do you think it takes to go into any of these routes? And is there an intermediary position that helps to set up for the next position above that? I think CRC is great. I think if you want to go that route, most of those positions you mentioned, actually all of those positions you mentioned, are at the sponsor or CRO level or both. So it only makes sense for you, if you want to get into one of those positions, to transition to a company that's a sponsor or a CRO or both. All right. Probably with your 2 years, you can probably get in as a CRA right now. And if you're having trouble getting in as a CRA, I would go with a remote site monitor at one of the CROs. You need to just start applying like crazy. You need to tweak your CV right now so that you show your CRC experience, you show your international medical graduate experience on your resume, And then you also put transferable skills. What did you do as a CRC? Did you look at other coordinators' work? Did you do like a source data review? Did you do training of staff? Did you look at investigator site file management? Did you help prepare for audits? Did you help prepare for monitoring visits? Those are all transferable skills. You need to put that on your resume, and you need to go before this month's over and apply to 400 places. And you need to be killing it on LinkedIn. And recruiters, by the way, there's golden people commenting on the YouTube channel. If you want candidates, just go to the comments in the YouTube channel. You'll find them. I think we're big enough now to where recruiters can just go to the comment section and hang out there. And I'm just getting bigger, guys. It's with you guys, with Guru Nation, I'm just gonna get bigger. So network, apply like crazy, go get a job as a CRA or as an in-house CRA or as a remote site monitor. Make the next step up. It's time. And at the same time, when I say apply to 400 positions, apply to all kinds of positions at CRO and sponsor levels. Apply to medical science liaison. Apply to medical monitor. I don't think you'll get medical monitor. Apply to CRA. Apply, I think you'll get that. Apply to pharmacovigilance. I think you'll get that. Apply, 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 apply. And I'm going to reply to your comment right now. Just did a video for you. And Guru Nation, keep the questions coming. Put advice in the comments, what you have advice for this person, and then what you've done or what you're doing. If you have experience and you're looking, just put in the comments or go on LinkedIn and comment underneath this. Recruiters will find you. I had a consultation call with a member of Guru Nation yesterday. I don't normally do those because my schedule's just busy, but the timing worked out. I was able to do it for 20 minutes with this guy who's a coordinator, wants to be a CRA, and has interviews. I told him, brush up on regulatory. Your regulatory is a little weak. Brush up on regulatory and then come back and do the podcast. But I also told him recruiters are watching. So tweak your CV and get your name out there. Get your name out there. Guru Nation, thank you so much. Good luck. Love my IMG viewers out there. The industry needs you. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.